Hello friends, in this video we will discuss on the pass statement in Python. Suppose you need to create a loop or a decision making statement. However, we don't know what would be the body of that loop or the statement. In such scenarios, we create the pass statement. Let us check it with an example. Suppose we have a variable number 6.5. If number greater than 0.0 colon pass. If we run this code, the code will run without any errors. Now I can write the code after the if statement and run it and implement the statement when necessary. Now what will happen if we use comments instead of the pass statement in the code? Here we are using a comments. Suppose letter job. So if we run the code, that is unexpected and intended block in the case here. Why? Now here the error is generated, that means the unexpected end of file while parsing. This error basically happens as the if statement is here without any body. As the body of the if statement is empty, it is generating the error. Comments are ignored by Python, so it is not recognized as the body of the if statement. What is happening if we delete the comment also? So if we run the code, once again the same error is happening here as the body of the if statement is here empty. So we are using the pass statement here. So if we run the code now, there is no error. So when we are creating any loops, if-else statements, functions or classes with empty body, we can use the pass statement temporarily and add the body statements later. Practically, pass is a null statement in Python which does nothing. The pass statement is used to create loops, if-else statement, functions and classes with an empty body, and there would be error if we have empty body in loops and decision making statements. So we can use the pass statement, and that is how we can use the pass statement in Python.